Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today we'll be making grilled chicken. So please stay tuned, don't go nowhere, and don't forget to subscribe. For this grilled chicken we'll be needing pepper, fresh pepper and onion. It depends on how many you want and what you like and how many onion or pepper you feel is okay for you. This is curry. I added some curry. You can add as much as you want, depends on what you like as well. This is basil leaf, I added that too, and this is ground black pepper. I bought that at the store, not me, my mom anyways. And this is ginger. It was given to my mom from, I guess, a family friend also. And that's garlic. You can add as much as you want. And that's Cameroon pepper. I added half teaspoon. And my seasoning cube, I added 4 cubes. Then half teaspoon of salt as well, then followed by 4 tablespoons of oil, cooking oil. And this is American BBQ seasoning. I added this too. This was also given to my mom by a family friend also, and it really tasted nice. I like the way it tastes and the way it looks anyways. I really like it, and gave the BBQ a different taste. Then after blending for a while, then I squeezed in lime into it, 3 limes, and this is the finishing look. Here's our chicken. The next thing you just need to do after washing your chicken, then the next thing you have to do is to start mixing it and putting in all your mixtures into everything, and that's basically it. But at this point the chicken bone was poking the glove I was putting on, so I decided to change to a spatula, and it was not really bad because it's mixed it properly. So you can as well try that as well if the chicken bone is poking your glove. So that's basically what I did, mixing everything together so it can be even, and that's all. So that's it. That was all what I was just doing, and you can add more if you want, but this is the finishing look. This is how it looks. And after that, I did this at in the night, so I put it in the fridge till the next morning, and this is how it looks like the next morning when I wanted to grill the chicken. And that's just it. Now it's time for us to grill. Start putting in everything. Make sure your oven is on already and hot. So that's it. This is what it looks like 45 minutes after grilling. So I decided to put it back into the oven, and this is how it looks like 1 hour after grilling. And trust me, this was, oh my goodness, this is actually my first time of trying it, so you guys can as well try yours too. There is no harm in trying at all. So we learn every day, and you can as well continue grilling if you want, but if not, that's it. That's all I did, and that's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe. See you in my next video.